Some skiers caught in an avalanche at Big Cottonwood Canyon are adding to concern for our avalanche danger. They're being blamed for triggering that avalanche yesterday. 3 of them skied out of the avalanche, but a state rescue helicopter had to hoist the 4th skier to safety. So you're seeing video of that rescue. This in Big Cottonwood Canyon, where a skier had to be taken to the hospital with a DPS chopper. A crew was skiing near Little Water Peak in the backcountry when they accidentally triggered that avalanche. All getting caught in it. 3 were able to ski out, as we just made mention of. Craig Gordon with the Utah Avalanche Center saying, although it may feel more like spring in the valley, keep in mind if you expect full-on winter in the conditions in the mountains.
Expect changing weather conditions, and of course that's going to change the backcountry avalanche danger as well. After a couple of sunny days, we've got another storm late in the week. It's going to be every bit as powerful, if not more so. So we expect the avalanche danger to remain elevated through the weekend.
All right, Gordon saying to watch the Utah Avalanche forecast to stay up to date on conditions for what zone you're planning on going to. Right now, it's showing considerable avalanche danger for multiple parts of the state, which is about a 3 on a scale of 5.